To use one-handed mode on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience. And as you are here, you can find this one-handed mode options. So let's tap on this one, and right here, as you can see, if you are using gestures, you will be able to perform this kind of shortcut to actually enable the one-handed mode. But as you are using the buttons, you are not able to perform this shortcut, but there are different kind of shortcuts. So let's enable these shortcuts right here, and you can go to change it. So you can enable the accessibility button shortcut or the volume keys shortcut to press and hold both volume keys, and this will enable the one-handed mode. But me personally, I would go for the accessibility button, and you can also go for more options, because by default this accessibility button is like in this floating window, which is kind of annoying. So you can go, as you enable this shortcut, go for accessibility button, you can go for more options, and right here change the location of this accessibility button to navigation bar. So like this you can customize it pretty nicely and choose whatever you'd like right here. So now, as you can see, as we press this button, we will be using this one-handed mode. And to exit one-handed mode, you can simply swipe up from the bottom to the top of the screen, or tap anywhere above right here on this section. And that's pretty much it. That's all that you have to know about using one-handed mode.